As we continue to witness the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence, two productivity tools have been making waves: Notion AI and ChatGPT. These AI-powered platforms promise to revolutionize the way we work, but which one is the ultimate productivity winner? In this tutorial, we'll dive into a step-by-step comparison of Notion AI and ChatGPT, exploring their features, capabilities, and real-world applications. Let's start with Notion AI, a powerful addition to the popular productivity platform Notion. With its AI capabilities, you can generate content, summarize lengthy texts, and even create custom databases. To get started, open your Notion account and navigate to the Settings tab. Click on AI and toggle the switch to enable it. From there, you can access a range of AI-powered features, including the ability to create custom templates and databases. One of the standout features of Notion AI